warm and pleasant good afternoon to one and all. Welcome to LawSikho's thorough newspaper analysis. That is for today, which is 20th of December 2023. चलें आज के एजेंडा की तरफ चलते हैं, जहाँ पे हम ये बात करेंगे इंग्लैंड वेल्स कॉशन जजेस ओवर एआई and what the rule says, what is the situation in India. So we will be talking about some technology related editorial today, and which is in the boom, that is AI, and which we have taken from the Indian Express. Then we'll be discussing about some interesting news update and the legal news update which is coming from Gujarat High Court and the Supreme Court. चले आज के सेशन में हमने कुछ वन लाइनर्स भी इंक्लूड करे हैं so that it can be ready reference for you guys in the competitive examinations. So do tell us in the comment section कि आपको ये नया आइडिया कैसा लगा. चले now what is happening? Let us understand the context behind it, and then we'll discuss the potential risk and what is the situation in India right now. So judges in England and Wales are now using generative AI system like ChatGPT, as you all guys know, for basic tasks. Like what type of task? Like summarizing large text, making the presentation, emails, guidance related to UK judiciary. So generative AI is a form of AI that can generate new content. So it can generate new content related to images, text, sound. Okay. Now, the document titled Guidance for Judicial Office Holders caution judges not to use chatbot for conducting legal research or for carrying out legal analysis, and warned judges of signs that show legal argument can be prepared using AI chat box. Now, what does the guidance state? Let us first understand what does the guidance has stated in the circular. So the guidance was issued in December 12th on the theme of AI, and it was released in the context of AI being used in the judicial system. So what it said, it must be consistent with judiciary overarching obligation, protect the integrity of administration of justice. Now, the guideline caution judges about indications that particular work may be produced by AI, and such as references to cases that sound unfamiliar or have foreign citations. Okay? Now, another sign is parties citing different bodies of case law for the same legal issues or making submissions that do not conform with judges' general understanding of law in an area. Beside this, the guidelines also mention the limitations and the risk of using AI that judges should be aware of. So this is all about the process. Now, what are the potential risks? So the guidelines say that if the public AI chat box like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Bing Chat do not provide answers from authoritative or credible database. So they say that obviously, this type of particular AI will not give accurate and credible database. It also mentioned that such programs generate new text using algorithms based on prompt they receive and the data they have been trained upon. As with any other information available on the internet in general, AI tools may be useful to find material one would recognize as correct, but are a poor way of researching to find new information one cannot verify. So the guideline also says that the quality of answers or the quality of the research that it would be receiving have generally will not have that accurate and authoritative text. However, even with the best prompt, the information provided may be inaccurate, it may be incomplete, misleading, or in fact biased also. Now, judges have also been warned of the privacy risk. Obviously, if you will be putting all the content of the particular case on the public platform or domain, it will have a privacy concern as well. Suggestions like disabling chat history in AI chat box or disabling AI platform from accessing information have been provided. Additionally, the guidelines say that if a judge unintentionally discloses private information, they must contact the judicial office and report the incident. Finally, the advisory urges judges to be cognizant that litigant or lawyer could have also used AI tools. For instance, party approaching the court without lawyer may use such information without knowing it's prone to error or that AI can produce fake test images or videos. Now, what were the UK-US cases? On December 4, a woman who used 9 fabricated ChatGPT cases to appeal against a penalty for capital gain tax had her case rejected by court, the Independent reported. Similarly, there was a case before the US judge in June imposed sanction on 2 New York lawyers for submitting a legal brief that included 6 fictitious cases citation generated by ChatGPT. So there were, penal or penal, instances also. Now, what about India? So this is something that has been there in the UK and the US, and they are working thoroughly on this particular AI project. Now, in March, Justice Anup Chitrakara of Punjab and Haryana High Court sought ChatGPT response while hearing the bail plea of an accused arrested in 2020 for rioting, criminal intimidation, murder, criminal conspiracy. The court, however, observed and made it clear that any reference to ChatGPT and any observation made is only intended to present a broader picture on bail jurisprudence where cruelty is a factor. However, similarly, the Supreme Court of India developed the Supreme Court Vidhik Anuvad software, a machine-assisted translation tool trained by AI to promote regional languages in judicial procedure. In April 2021, the then CGI S.A. Bobde launched the Supreme Court portal for assistance in court efficiency, a tool that collects relevant facts and laws and makes them available to a judge. So, Indian courts have also reacted to use of AI. ठीक है, चलिए आज की नेशनल न्यूज की तरफ पढ़ते हैं. ध्यान रखिएगा जो भी एडिटोरियल सेक्शन है वो आपको ऐसे राइटिंग और एक आपका इंडिविजुअल पर्सपेक्टिव डेवलप करने में बहुत हेल्प करेगा. सो डू रीड द एडिटोरियल सेक्शन फॉर डेवलपिंग योर इंडिविजुअल थॉट प्रोसेस एंड योर व्यू पॉइंट, राइट. चलिए, now PM Modi inaugurates world largest meditation center in Varanasi. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday have inaugurated the Swar Ved Mahamandir, a magnificent 7-floor temple located in Varanasi Umaraha area. Okay, now ये temple के बारे में थोड़ी सी information लेते हैं. So this temple has stunning design with 125 petal lotus domes and an impressive 20,000 seating capacity. Situated in a Umraha area, approximately 12 kilometers from Varanasi city center, the Swarved Mahamandir covers an expansive area of 3 lakh square feet. It is made with a collaborative effort of 600 workers and 15 engineers. The foundation of Mahamandir was led in 2004 by Sadguru Acharya Swatantra Dev and Sant Pravar Vigyan Dev. Now, the pink sandstone decorates the wall and a beautiful garden with medicinal herbs add to the grandeur. Temple is named after Swarved, a spiritual text authored by Sadguru Shri Sadafal Deoji Maharaj, an eternal yogi and the founder of Vihanam Yoga. The temple promotes the teaching of Swarveda, emphasizing Brahma Vidya, body of language empowering spiritual seekers to maintain a state of consummate Zen, characterized by unwavering constancy in peace and happiness. So it's a very world largest meditation center which is opened in Varanasi. Now, first ever Khelo India Para Games conclude. So it's a, sports related news which is coming up. So the first edition of Para India Khelo Games concluded on December 17th. Now, Union Home Minister Anurag Singh Thakur declared the Para India Khelo Games closed. Now, let us understand the chart that which city topped the medal list. Over 1,450 para-athletes from 32 states and UTs participated in the prestigious Khelo India Para Games, which saw events in 7 disciplines. In the games that had 173 gold medals for grabs, Haryana bagged top honor with total of 105 medals, including 40 gold, 39 silver, 26 bronze. Finishing second पे कौन आया? उत्तर प्रदेश and Tamil Nadu finished third. So हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश and Tamil Nadu. इस सीक्वेंस को याद रखिएगा, ये आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम का एक क्वेश्चन है. चलें नेक्स्ट की तरफ चलते हैं. विजय हजारे ट्रॉफी, Harshal bowls Haryana to title against Rajasthan. So Harshal Patel bowled a game-changing spell with the old ball as Haryana beat Rajasthan by 30 runs in a well-contested final to lift the Vijay Hazare Trophy. देखते हैं कि विजय हजारे ट्रॉफी क्या है? जो विजय हजारे ट्रॉफी इज ओरिजिनली नोन एज रणजी वनडे ट्रॉफी, is an annual limited over cricket domestic competition which is organized by BCCI. It involves the state and UTs. The tournament began in the year 93-94 but was played at zonal level only till 2000 and 2003 when it was expanded to become a national competition. In 2007, it was renamed in honor of Vijay Hazare, who had died in December 2004. The most successful team since expansion is Tamil Nadu, who has won the trophy for 5 times. तो ये हमने बात करी विजय हजारे ट्रॉफी के लिए, और इस बार किसने क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन करा उसके बारे में. चलो चलते हैं इंडियाज ओन चैट जीपीटी राइवल कृत्रिम एआई. सो अभी हमने एआई से रिलेटेड एडिटोरियल पढ़ा, उसी से रिलेटेड इंडिया से एक न्यूज आ रही है. ओला's Bhavish Agrawal took on Twitter to announce his new big launch, Krutrim AI. He shared a video addressing sharing an invite to the launch of Krutrim AI, and which will power the AI in the hands of 1.4 billion people. The new product is being categorized as India's first full stack AI. The company has claimed that Krutrim is built on local Indian languages, knowledge, and data. So the word is derived from Sanskrit, meaning artificial, is designed to reflect India's diverse culture and linguistic fabric. The AI model demonstrates proficiency in 20 Indian languages, guys. It's a very big thing, and can generate content in 10 languages, including Marathi, Hindi, Kannada, showcasing an inclusive approach to AI development. So it's a in-house India का AI पूरा सर्च इंजन. ठीक है, अब हम बात करते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट डे की, गोवा लिबरेशन डे, जो 19 दिसंबर को सेलिब्रेट करा गया. इसकी हिस्ट्री की तरफ चलते हैं. On 19 December 1961, after more than 4 centuries under Portuguese rule, Goa was liberated and reclaimed by India. The liberation of Goa followed a series of events that strained relations between India and Portugal, culminating in Operation Vijay by the Indian Army. Goa liberation came 14 long years after India gained independence from the British. This December 19 marks 62nd anniversary of Goa liberation. So 14 years के इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद गोवा को लिबरेशन मिला था फ्रॉम पोर्टुगीज रूल. Kuwait Crown Prince Sheikh Meshal named new Emir. So Sheikh Meshal Al Ahmad Al Sabah was named as Kuwait new Emir on Saturday after the death of his brother Sheikh Nawak Al Ahmad Al Sabah, age 86. Sheikh Meshal, 83, spent much of his career helping build the Gulf state security and defense apparatus before stepping into the public eye when he became Crown Prince 3 years ago. तो ये एग्जामिनेशन का क्वेश्चन है. लीगल अपडेट की तरफ चलते हैं जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट से आ रहा है, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट की तरफ बात करता है. द टेस्टिमनी ऑफ सोल आई विटनेस who is the complainant needs examination with great caution. So Supreme Court observed that in a case where the appellant complainant was an entrusted sole eyewitness, being the father of the deceased, and had long enmity with the accused person, his testimony has to be examined with great caution. So if there is a sole eyewitness who is the complainant also, तो उसका जो examination होगा वो बहुत great caution से होगा. So the judges panel were Justice Abhay S. Oka and Pankaj Mittal made this observation while affirming the impugned order of High Court, setting aside the conviction of accused person. और केस का नाम है छोटे लाल वर्सेस रोहताश. नेक्स्ट जजमेंट गुजरात हाईकोर्ट की तरफ से आ रहा है जो 300 आईपीसी से रिलेटेड है. Even single injury resulting in death of victim can amount to murder. So the Gujarat High Court has held that the clause 3 of section 300 IPC, with this the court upon convicting the accused emphasized that he took advantage of the victim's vulnerability and displayed calculated cruelty in delivering a fatal blow. The court has said that single injury resulting in death can be categorized as murder, which will fall under clause 3 of section 300 of IPC. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट है, इसे याद रखिएगा. एंड इसका केस का नाम है स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात वर्सेस प्रकाश @ Piddu, Mithubhai, Mulani एंड अदर्स. चले अब हम वन लाइनर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं जो हमने आज से चालू किया है, जिसके बारे में ये आपके जितने भी 7 क्वेश्चन है ये आपके एग्जामिनेशन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. तो हु हैज बिकम द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव प्लेयर इन आईपीएल हिस्ट्री? मिचेल स्टार्क, जो केकेआर की टीम में गए हैं. Which team brought Pat Cummins, who became the second most expensive player in IPL history? Sunrisers Hyderabad. How many cybercrime police station has the Uttar Pradesh government approved to open in state? 57. Who has been elected Speaker of Chhattisgarh State Assembly? किसको elect करा गया है? Raman Singh. With whom has the government of India signed a loan agreement for the Delhi Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System corridor? Asian Development Bank. Which state won the most medal in the first Khelo India Para Games? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था हरियाणा, यूपी, फिर तमिलनाडु. तो हरियाणा सबसे टॉप पर है. और इंडियन नेवी हैज साइंड एन अग्रीमेंट विथ विच आईआईटी फॉर जॉइंट रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, जिसका नाम है आईआईटी कानपुर. तो ये याद रखिएगा, हम वन लाइनर्स रोज आपके लिए लेते आएंगे ताकि आपके एग्जामिनेशन पर्सपेक्टिव से कुछ भी ना छूटे. चलिए, दैट्स ऑल फॉर द टुडेज न्यूज अपडेट एंड द लीगल न्यूज. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. टेक केयर.